want to be on Matty's back.
Yeah.
He'd probably
pull us both up.
pull us both up, and we'd, you know, be saved. G'day guys, Ninja here. I've got Matty on the table and got Josh helping me out today. So got a bit of bad DOMS. Delayed onset muscle soreness in the hamstrings, Matty. So
yeah.
Tell us how you achieved that, man. What's going on?
Yeah, good achievement. It means I'm doing the right stuff.
Yeah.
So I used my hamstrings, I guess, for my squats and deadlift recently. Did some heavy weight, which I haven't done heavy in a while, just because I've been focusing on a lot of pull-ups and rock climbing and stuff. Haven't really been lifting with you guys, which you guys obviously do heavy. But the reason why I did the heavy squat first was because it was part of a competition on the weekend, and then I did deadlifts at work because I wanted to, because it felt weird just doing squats without the deadlifts. So yeah, that's why. And the other comp was what do you call it? Street lifting body weight competition for 1 rep max with added weight. So weight around my waist for pull-ups, for a muscle up, for dip, and then a normal squat that we do.
Yep.
So yeah.
Oh shit. Run us through your numbers, man. I know your pull-up one, or a chin-up, wasn't it? But yeah, run us through your stats. Like your chin-up, it's probably the most incredible, but...
Thank you. Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
Nearly the same result as the guy who came first out of the whole thing, and this guy was like 80 something kilos. So the heavier you are, the more weight you can lift, like the more mass and strength.
Got more muscle to move.
Yeah. I never realized that. I thought, if you're lighter, you've got more potential because you're already light, but the more mass you've got, the heavier you can lift.
So it's all proportional, isn't it? Percentage of your body weight.
Yep.
Compared.
It's like with deadlifts.
Yeah. If you did a percentage, you might have won. You know what I mean? Like, because let's tell them the stats. So you're 68 kilos roughly.
Yeah, I'm 68 kegs.
And how much do you do with your chin up?
Chin up was 80 kilos.
80 kilos. So that's 12 kilos more than what you weigh.
Yep.
So that's
huge.
But it didn't technically count, that one, because my knee bent a little bit, and for the form for this, they want it to be very strict. Yeah, so it was a bit annoying, but like it didn't really help me. But yeah, anyway, it didn't count. But 70 kilos counted, at least. Other stats.
Still more than your body weight, isn't it?
Yeah, still more.
Alright, man.
Who's more sore? The lower ones or the?
Both.
Both a bit sore. We warmed you up a little bit, starting to hook in a little bit.
Other stats, I got 20 kilo muscle up.
20 kilo muscle up.
20 kilo muscle
Most
up.
blokes can't even bloody do a 1 muscle up.
Yes.
They're like with 20 kegs.
Buy the pull-up playbook. It's been that was good. It nearly almost didn't count because they want to strict legs to be straight. Just got it. Usually when I do muscle ups, I use everything. It was annoying when they want it to be strict. I feel like bodyweight training should be full body. So
if you had a branch and you were trying to get up onto a tree or something, you'd just do anything, wouldn't you?
Do what you can, So it's
get away from a tiger. Oh, you bad form.
Can't train those legs. That's totally fair enough.
Yeah.
80 kilo dip as well, and 130 squat. I've done 140 squat before, but I haven't been training squats, so
still good, man.
It's impressive.
Legs are still got
that's
something.
probably why were your adductors really sore from your squat? I don't know. That's where I
Just my ass.
Your ass.
Yeah. I just felt the next day I was expecting like everything to be sore because I just did all these heavy weight, but just my glutes from the squat.
Yeah.
Core as well. There's a lot of core involved with pull-ups, which some people don't realise.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. And the 1 rep max thing is, geez, it makes you sore, doesn't it? It's like like it's awesome. Like you're just euphoric, when you kind of hit some personal bests and stuff.
Yeah.
But the next day it's like, you know what? But it's the badge of honour. I've always tried to say that the DOMS.
Yep.
So it means that you've actually.
Our bodies are alive. It's good.
Yeah.
Good sign. Don't be scared of it.
Yeah, you're alive.
You've worked.
Yeah, you're working you know, beyond where you're currently fit enough to do, and kind of breaking some barriers. So
Nice, Joshy.
Yeah.
Got my, he knows where it's at. Your max weight, Josh, for pull-up, have you tried?
Oh, I haven't done 1 rep maxes. I've done 3 rep maxes at 40.
Say again?
I've done 3 rep maxes at 40. I had
20 kilo pull up.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, Josh, swimmers can pull a lot.
Pull.
Oh, out.
The more the swimming, the pulling.
The repetition, you get strong in that
Crazy.
area.
Yeah. What kind of pull-ups were they? Were the chin just over? Did you get clean to your chest?
No, it was chin. It was, well, again, our swim coach was very strict on how we do it, but it had to be back of the jaw. So the back of the jaw had to pass.
Sick.
So you had to like put it over the.
Well, it wasn't. You didn't have to reach over or anything, but as long as the back of the jaw line, because if you're reaching like this to get over the bar, your jaw's actually like lower than that. Whereas if it's in neutral, that's like the back of the jaw stays in that spot.
Yeah.
So there was a constant when people go searching for that extra little bit.
I was just thinking of Geordie, our man. He's got this big beard.
It's a big beard.
Just get your beard to touch the bar.
Get the beard to touch.
Get your chin up. So if you've got a big chin, you've fucking got an advantage, haven't you?
That's not.
Well, that's why we go to the back of the jaw. So
Yeah, so make sure you're not.
Get it over.
yeah.
Good flush.
I'll still count it.
Yeah.
Ninja pull-ups.
Oh, there were plenty of times where when we're doing like sets and sets of it, and you go, and you're getting to the bars here,
Yeah.
and they're going, nah, doesn't count.
That's so deflating.
Oh,
It's like that little extra inch or centimeter that you need to get, and you're stuck.
Yeah.
Anyway, with your 1 rep max, I think if you can do a few reps of 40, then surely you can do 1 rep of 50. Surely.
Yeah, give it a go.
Yeah.
Get down the gym in Gully and
Yeah.
try it out.
Yeah.
That's crazy. And you're,
There's a video in that, I reckon.
Yeah.
yeah,
Good
just
Josh.
1 rep max.
Yeah.
It could be a fun little video. I'll definitely do that on my own page. I'm doing that with Zachy, which you know.
Yeah.
Try to get 1 rep max. It's a fun challenge to watch.
Yeah. Yeah, get Zachy into the gym on a Monday or Friday, and we'll.
Yeah, I was thinking about that at our outdoor pull-up.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Nice day.
How crazy of your strength, Joshy, for pull-ups? Swimming definitely has a
Huge.
correlation with it.
Oh yeah, you see a lot of swimmers are strong in that sort of that realm. I've seen people do like the elite, like Olympic gold medalists. They're comfortably doing reps at like 50.
What? Swimmers?
Yeah, like sets of 5 at 50. This is like Adam Peaty from the UK and stuff could do that.
Yeah. And your max dead hang as well is like 3 minutes, yeah?
Yeah, 3 minutes.
I think
The video that you, me, and Leo all did together.
Yeah.
That's my PB, 3 minutes.
How ridiculous is that? You know how long it took me to get 3 minutes? My max PB? Find out. Swimmers.
Got a grip on things.
Got to be strong, mate.
Well, swimming isn't gripping.
Well, yeah, you don't really grip much in swimming. You actually, you're more spread, but
You're strong.
yeah, I get maybe it's just all the treating we've been doing, getting the strength in the hands from that.
I guess you're gripping muscle sometimes, doing pincer grips and stuff. That's funny. Or the gripping the bars from deadlifts and squats.
Yeah.
And whatnot. Have you tried 1 rep max ninja?
Oh, with weight.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did. I think I did. This is when I was 25. I did 14 reps with 20 kilos around my waist. So we're pull up for my pull up. Yeah. So it might have been just to the fucking forehead to the bar, but I still remember that
Ghost.
that feat. The ghost. Yeah. But yeah, I haven't done much weighted stuff at all.
Yeah.
Probably dips I can do weighted. I reckon I'd be alright there.
Yeah, we should do a little
Yeah.
challenge.
Yeah.
It was really good fun when I did it on the weekend. It was nice to get those stats.
Yeah.
I feel like it goes pretty hand in hand with what we do here with this, sprinting, but deadlifts and squats. Like we always go for power and strength based stuff. So it only makes sense to be doing that for pull-ups and dips as well.
Yeah.
Like there's no reason why you guys aren't doing that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah.
And that's my background. And when I got into deadlifts, when you guys taught me, I was already pretty strong with it. So they're related.
Yeah. How you going, man? How's the hammies?
Nice. Yeah. Josh has got me right now.
Got a good elbow in there, man.
Yeah.
I suppose if I can try and summarise this up with one little phrase, which I've been thinking about during this session, is the body's an instrument, not an ornament. So what we're talking about is performance. It's what can you do, and practical things as well. So like how fast you can run, how much you can lift, squatting. You know, if you're kind of, you know, on the cliff edge and somebody's on your back, I'd want to be on Matty's back.
Yeah.
He'd probably
pull us both up.
pull us both up, and we'd, you know, be saved. You know, so yeah, survival type of thing. So a lot of times, stuff that's done on the internet, you know, in gyms and stuff like that, it's more for aesthetics. It's not for performance or getting rid of pain, and that's kind of the angle that we've always kind of been going down is what can you do, performance, and practical. So yeah, if you can kind of be training in that realm, it's going to transfer into your life, and yeah, a lot of times, you can be looking good just standing there, but go to move, and it's a different story.
Yeah.
So that's my little.
Doesn't matter what you look like.
Yeah.
What can you do?
Yeah, that's right.
That's really the goal.
Yeah.
True, that's survival. Yeah, what if you really cliff?
Yeah.
Topple yourself up.
Yeah. Yeah.
Unless you're a rock climber, can you get your foot up?
Yeah.
Tightness.
Yeah. Rock climbing's cool, isn't it? You kind of combine so many different things, your mobility, but kind of these hooks with your heel. It's not a natural or normal thing for most people to do. They've probably never done it since they were little, trying to climb around on play equipment, you know?
On trees.
Yeah. So it's important. And we talked about sprinting before too. Like there's 99% of the population don't sprint once they're 30. So yeah, definitely it's a move it or lose it.
Swimming is survival straight surely too. Hey, Josh.
Yeah.
You're done.
Oh,
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm not swimming for shit. Yep.
Wait there, man. Anyway, I'll wrap this video up before we get interrupted. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I liked having a chat with Maddie and Josh and myself, and we'll see you all next time. Thanks for supporting our channel. Done.
bad.